You are watching Gen X Reviews, your best source for all things gaming laptops related. In this video, I will show you the top 5 best MSI gaming laptops. Links to where to buy these products can be found in the video descriptions down below. First up is the company's flagship product, GS76 Stealth. The GS series stands for slim and light laptops. GS76 has a very minimalistic and clean-looking design, with the black color emphasizing its core aesthetics. Inside the GS76 sits the latest 8-core, 11th Gen Intel Tiger Lake CPU. 4th generation PCIe enables more bandwidth to talk to the graphics. The GS76 can be configured with up to NVIDIA RTX 3080 and 16GB video RAM. It has a MUX switch that disables NVIDIA Optimus and sends the image signal directly to the display. Choose between a Full HD, Quad HD or 4K panel. Thinner fan blades has been engineered to increase airflow through the channels. Powered by a 100 Wh battery, the laptop can also be charged via Thunderbolt, which supports USB-C charging up to 100 watts. Up to 2 NVMe PCIe SSDs can be installed simultaneously for blazing transfer speeds. Being a thin and light gaming laptop, the GS76 weighs less than 2.5 kilograms and just 20 millimeters thin. It supports Wi-Fi 6 for blazing wireless transfer speeds. DIN audio surround sound for realistic 3D audio. MSI GS76 is the perfect tool for the creative professional, as well as the hardcore gamer. GS76, made to create, made to game. MSI GE Raider series. The Ge66 and Ge76 series are MSI's equivalent to muscle machines. Designed for uncompromised performance, it houses the 11th Gen Intel Tiger Lake mobile processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, PCIe Gen 4x16, and up to latest GeForce RTX 3080 graphics. Integrated GPU MUX switch with overclock feature, and optional Quad HD displays up to 240 Hz. To ensure maximum cooling, MSI has implemented a revolutionary cooling system with 2 fans and 6 heat pipes. Latest Wi-Fi 6, duo wave speakers, and lightning transfer speeds via USB-C Thunderbolt. Content creators rejoice, with integrated SD card reader, and a supercharged battery that will last for those long sessions. The MSI GE Raider laptop is the ultimate power package on the go. Next up is the MSI GP66 and GP76 series. The GP Leopard has an all-new metal chassis that makes it the most robust build to date. This year's upgrade houses some significant update to the internals as well. With an octa-core, 16-threaded Intel processor up to i7-11800H at the heart of the system, complex calculations are completed within seconds. Faster PCIe 4x16 bandwidth interface provides twice the transfer rate over previous generation. The latest RTX graphics not only delivers the ultimate performance for gamers, but it helps designers to solve advanced technical calculations, high-level engineering computations or complex design requirements. The GP Leopard has 2 panel options, Quad HD 165 Hz or Full HD 1080p. MSI has partnered with SteelSeries to deliver an awesome keyboard experience, with Paki RGB keyboard. Equipped with the latest wireless protocol, a revolutionary cooler boost technology with 2 fans and 6 heat pipes, and one of the fastest PCIe SSDs on the market, the GP66 and GP76 Leopard is a dream laptop for engineers, aspiring architects and design students. If you are looking for something a bit more affordable, the MSI Crossfire GL series comes in a 15-inch and a 17-inch display size. Powered by an octa-core Intel 11th Gen Core i7 under the hood, and the laptop supports up to NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics with 85 watts of total graphics power. It has a single-zone RGB gaming keyboard with physical numpad, and 1.7mm of key travel. Newly designed thermal system with 2 fans and 6 copper heat pipes to maximize heat dissipation. A sharp Quad HD resolution panel up to 165Hz refresh rate. Brand new MSI Center lets you have a quick overview over all your settings. The MSI Crossfire series lacks some of the features that comes with more expensive models, but it is a great option for those looking for a solid mid-range gaming laptop. The Pulse series laptops is a special design collaboration between MSI and the world champion in ZBrush, Martin Verhoeven. The titanium grey metal shell has a futuristic space vibe, reminiscent of the Alien Covenant movie. The GL66 and GL76 laptops combines the power of Intel's Core i7 processor with NVIDIA RTX graphics up to 85 watts of TGP. Audio is developed in collaboration with Nahimic Audio for high-definition sound and voice performance. Enjoy an immersive virtual 7.1 surround sound through the dual 2-watt speakers. The laptop has single-zone RGB and a physical numpad. Redesigned heat pipes with larger diameter allows for better heat conduction. Depending on region and the actual graphics configuration, the Pulse comes with up to 165Hz refresh rate at Quad HD resolution for a smooth gaming experience. The Pulse GL66 and GL76 are suitable for those looking for a laptop to fulfill the basic compute and gaming needs. If you want to purchase any of the laptops mentioned in this video, check out the links in the video descriptions for the most updated deals at Amazon. Give the video a thumbs up, and check out the best budget laptops from MSI by clicking on the video showing.